Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Vasep Chaudhary. Today date is 16 October 2021 and today's topic name is string constant pool in Java. In this topic we will discussing what is a string constant pool and use of string constant pool. Let's start. Java is an object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming language, there are primitive data type and non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, there are int, boolean, character, float, double, byte, short, long. And in non-primitive data type, there are object, class, string, array. From this non-primitive data type, we will discussing about string. Let's start. String is a object which represent the character sequence. And how to create the string object? There are two ways to create the string object. First one is by using string literal, and second one is by using new keyword. Let's discuss by using string literal. In string literal, JVM will first check this string object value is present in the string constant pool or not. If value is present, then it will be do not create the new object of the string. It will return the reference of the existing string object. But this value of string object is not present, so it will create the new object of the string and returns the reference of this new object. And this object created by the string literal is stored inside the string constant pool. String constant pool is a specific type of memory which is inside the heap memory, and it is used to store the string object. Next one is creating string object by using new keyword. Creating string object by using new keyword. In this, JVM will directly create the new object in heap memory and returns the reference of the string object. Let's discuss what is a string constant pool. String constant pool is a special type of memory which is inside the heap memory, and string constant pool is also known as string literal pool. It is used to store the string object, and it will returns the reference to the string. If we will create the string s1, in string s1 welcome, so this string s1 object will be created inside the string constant pool, and s1 will locate the object welcome. And if we will create the string by using new keyword, means string s2 is equals to new string welcome. So in this case, this string object will be created inside the heap memory and as well as inside the string constant pool by JVM internally. But in the string literal, object is created only once in the string constant pool. And string constant pool, by using string literal, if you created string s1 is equals to welcome, and next string s2 is equals to hello, and string s3 is equals to welcome. So by creating string s1, JVM will first check this welcome string object value is present inside the string constant pool or not. It is not present, so it will create the new object for this string object value and returns the reference to the s1. Next, string s2, inside the string s2 hello. So in this case, JVM will again check the string object value is present inside the string constant pool or not. So in this case, it will not present, so it will create the new object for this s2 string and returns the reference of the string object. In string s3, JVM will check the string object value welcome is present inside the string constant pool or not. In this case, it will string object is already exist, so it will not create the new object for this string value. It will returns the reference of the previous string object. This is all the information about the string constant pool in string. Thank you.